Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily find your user ID in Golf Battle game. To find your user ID in Golf Battle is super quick and easy. First of all, launch the Golf Battle game on your device and make sure you're logged in. From the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. Once you're inside this option settings, scroll down to info and you'll find your player ID right over there. You will be able to take a screenshot of your player ID or simply write it down in a piece of a paper somewhere safe. You can use this user ID while adding friends, contacting support, linking accounts, or entering events. Your player ID is different from your username. Use it when your friend requests fail due to duplicate usernames. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find your Golf Battle player ID in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.